Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to register eBay account. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to register eBay account. Maybe because you want to purchase something or you're going to sell something, so you want to list the products and you want to register the account but you don't know how to do it. Or it could be any other reason for you to register your eBay account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the eBay app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of products on our screen. Other than that, we have categories for the products, and at the bottom and at the top we have some options. With the help of that, we could register account. So to register account, there are multiple ways to create your account, or you could register your account. For example, if you're going to purchase a product, first it will ask you to register yourself. So likewise, you can go to any option to register your account. For example, you can open any product of your choice. Like I have opened this product, and when I go down here, we have an option to buy. When I get there, it asks me to create or register my account, and after that I could continue buying. Once you land on that page, first you will read the title of register at the top. After that, it will show you some options, and once you enter these answers of these options, you will be easily able to register your account. First, you have to enter your country, your area, your location, your province, your city, maybe state, or any other option, your postal code and contact number. Once you enter all these options, you just have to simply click on continue, and after that your account will be created. You just have to enter what it is asking, and your account will be registered. So that's how you can easily register your account. There are multiple ways to register. You can either open a product, and when you go to buy it, it will ask you to register, or maybe you go to the setting. There you will find the option for registration. Now, as the account has been registered, so you can purchase any product of your choice. You can either add product into basket, watch list, or maybe you could become a seller and list your product, or maybe can sell product as you want. Make sure you enter all the information like your address, your country, your city, your postal code, your contact number, correct? So when the product gets delivered to your place, it gets the right place and the right location. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can register your eBay account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.